Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Remitly account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a debit card to your Remitly account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add your debit card to Remitly anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you have overseas contractors, sometimes you're going to send out payment through Remitly at their request, and you have to have a payment method. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Remitly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Remitly account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect a debit card, you're going to click on your name here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu, and you want to click here on settings. Okay, once you click there, you'll see another menu here on the left. And in order to link a debit card, click here on payment methods. Once you do that, you're going to see all the payment methods you have set up with Remitly. However, to add a new debit card, click here on add payment method. All right, once you do that, you'll see two options. You want to click on card. Okay, once you click there, you're going to need to enter in the 16-digit card number, expiration date, security code, your name as it appears on the credit card, and then also you want to verify the billing address for that credit card is matching up. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this information in off screen. Okay, so once you've entered in the required information, you want to click on the blue save button here at the bottom. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. You're going to see a little green pop up. It goes by pretty quick, confirming that you added your debit card as a payment method in your Remitly account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your debit card to your Remitly account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.